CBS 6 Sky Tracker, sponsored by Baugh Auto Body.
Well, we've almost made it to the weekend, and we've almost made it to the end of all this hot and humid weather. I know a lot of us are ready for a change. Right now, coming in 75 degrees this morning. Check out that dew point, 73, meaning we have a relative humidity value in the 90s. It is so incredibly muggy all across central Virginia this morning, and quite warm. I mean, temperatures this morning still in the 70s, even upper 70s further off towards the east, such as right now in West Point, 78, 79 in Williamsburg. A little closer to the central zones, Louisa at 75, and just over into Charlottesville coming in at 74 degrees. Now, we are beginning to see some of these clouds filtering in from the west, moving off towards the east, and something else moving to the eastern extent are the remnants of those isolated showers and thunderstorms from overnight. They're going to continue to exit the region, but we've got more headed into our direction. Here's the cold front we've been talking about for quite some time, and check out what is behind it. Clear skies, light winds, and definitely some cooler air. So we've just got to get through today, and things are going to be looking good into our direction. Now, with this particular cold front, we are indeed dealing with the potential for some strong to severe storms later on this afternoon. That is what we have, a marginal risk for severe weather across central Virginia. So continue to stay weather aware, and of course, download the CBS 6 weather app. It is completely free, and it will alert you when severe weather is headed into your particular location. Now, as far as the timing of these storms, we could see one or two outliers ahead of the system right after lunchtime, but the main system is looking to impact us, you got it, right around rush hour. So around 4 o'clock, we're going to begin to see these showers and thunderstorms just off towards our west, continuing to ease to the eastern extent, up and along I-95 around 5, 6, 7, 8 o'clock. Highly traveled road. A lot of people going up towards D.C. headed back home. You want to make sure you are staying weather aware, because even if the storms are not severe, we're still going to be dealing with heavy amounts of rainfall and potential curb-to-curb flooding. So be careful on the roadways this evening. The storm system will continue to push further off towards the east. We'll see a few lingering storms overnight to the far eastern extent, but everyone else, we are drying out, and we are also cooling off. With the timing of this storm system, we will be dealing with some winds coming in, and those winds are going to be right around 15 to 25 miles per hour as the storm system does move off towards the east. Now, temperatures is going to be hot. Temperatures will be in the upper 80s to low 90s for the afternoon, but it will feel as if we are in the mid to upper 90s all across the board. But behind the system, low humidity and 80s return, 86 degrees, and it's actually going to feel as if we are sitting at 86, as well as into Sunday and Monday. So it's going to be a very nice forecast on tap. But today, if we can get through it, guys, we've got a beautiful forecast ahead.
All right, thanks, Nikki-Dee. In Virginia Beach, professionals and amateurs